Hi, my name is Christian Martinez. I'm a former holistic health student and a TA for Dr. Pepper. And I decided to get into holistic health because I wanted to take a more hands-on approach on my own health, my own physical and mental well-being. And one of the things that surprised me when I took the class was we spent a lot of time studying personal stress management with lots of different techniques. Very helpful for me at the time. I was a physics transfer student and had a very busy semester and was looking to alleviate day-to-day stress. Big part of the class is monitoring your own experience, trying out different techniques, seeing what works for you, and then implementing that in your day-to-day life. A surprising thing that I got out of the class were lots of health, lots of ideas about how to maintain a healthy lifestyle into the future for your friends and family. We studied how overuse of Tylenol in children can create long-term health effects. And now that I am a father, I have a 1-year-old, I remembered that lesson. And my son recently had roseola, had a high temperature for a couple of days. We were pretty worried about it. We called an advice nurse. They told us, give him Tylenol right away. I remembered the class, held off. Glad I did, because a couple days later he was just fine. The doctor said that was the right choice. Thank you, Dr. Pepper, for that lesson. Really took that one to heart. So anyone considering studying holistic health, I highly, highly recommend that you do. You can get a lot of benefits for your current life, the things you're doing right now, whether it be school or work. And a lot of these lessons extend into the future, helping you maintain a healthy lifestyle for yourself and your family, potentially. So thank you very much. Bye-bye.